from coast to coast.
And coast to coast, the effects of the ruling were almost immediate. In some states, trigger laws that ban abortion went into effect within hours of the court's announcement. NPR Legal Affairs correspondent Nina Totenberg reports.
We hold that the Constitution does not confer a right to abortion. With those words, Justice Samuel Alito, writing for the court majority, said the Supreme Court's repeated decisions reaffirming a woman's right to abortion must be overruled. His insight was that they were egregiously wrong, damaging, and an abuse of judicial authority. As to what standard the court should apply in the event a state law is challenged, he said, any state regulation is presumptively valid and must be upheld. Attorney General Merrick Garland, however, said in a statement that FDA-approved pills that induce abortion may not be banned. The court's vote was 6-3 or 5-4, depending on how you look at it. All 5 of the court's conservatives signed on to the opinion, except Chief Justice John Roberts. He wrote separately, saying that while he agreed that the reasoning in Roe was wrong, the court's other decisions upholding the right to abortion did not merit reversal. He would have upheld Mississippi's law banning abortion after 15 weeks, thus preserving the right to get an abortion for more than 3 months, while at the same time avoiding what he called a serious jolt to the legal system. All the justices in the majority were appointed by Republican presidents, the dissenters appointed by Democratic presidents. The court's 3 liberals